Dear students, in this lecture today we shall try to understand relationship between banker and customer. In addition to the function of accepting or lending money, banker renders many other services for the well-being of their customers. These primary and agency services give birth to general relationship between the banker and the customer. So today we shall try to understand some of the important relationships between the banker and the customer. But before going into the different types of relationships, we need to understand that the dealings between the banker and the customer varies, and the different relationships that exist between the banker and the customer purely depends on the nature or the type of dealings between them. So therefore, when the dealings are different, obviously the relationships are also different. So as I have told you earlier, there are many banker-customer relationships. So the first relationship that I want to discuss with you is the relationship of debtor and creditor. See, when a customer opens an account with a bank, and if the account has a credit balance, then the relationship is that of debtor and creditor. Here the banker becomes the debtor and the customer becomes the creditor. This is because when a customer pays in money into his or her account, the banker automatically owes that money to the customer and must be payable upon demand, either through a check or through withdrawal slips or through any other mode of withdrawal. The customer has the right to demand back his money whenever he wants it from the banker, and the banker must repay the money to the customer. So in this case, in case of a account that the customer opens with the bank, like savings and account or current account, etc., the banker is the debtor and the customer is the creditor. However, in case of a loan account, when the banker gives loan to the customer, in this case the banker becomes the creditor and the customer becomes the debtor, because the customer in this case owes money to the banker. The banker can demand the repayment of the loan or advance on the due date, and the customer has to repay the debt. The next relationship that I want to discuss with you is the relationship of pledger and pledgee. The relationship between customer and the banker can be that of pledger and pledgee when the customer pledges or promises certain assets or security with the bank in order to get a loan. In this case, the customer becomes the pledger and the bank becomes the pledgee. Under this agreement, the assets or the security will remain with the bank until a customer repays the loan. So this is how the relationship of pledger and pledgee exists between the banker and the customer. So other relationships we are going to discuss in other parts of this particular lecture and presentation. Thank you.